How to delete iCloud storage on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Settings allow you to manage your device's configurations. Once you're here, tap on your Apple ID at the very top of the screen. Here, tap on the iCloud option to access your cloud storage settings. Then, tap on Manage Account Storage to see more details. Scroll down the list to view all the apps and how much storage they are using. Now, select an app from the list whose data you want to delete. Tap on Delete Data from iCloud. Then, a pop-up will appear. Again, tap on Delete to confirm. After that, tap on Permanently Delete. You have now successfully deleted the app's data from your iCloud. Following these steps, you can easily delete iCloud storage on an iPhone.